how to log in to Instagram if you forgot your password without email and phone number. So if you want to log into your Instagram if you forgot your password without email and phone number, then first you just need to simply open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. Search for instagram.com. Now you can tap on login, and you can either continue with your Facebook, like if you've used your Facebook to log in to your Instagram or to create your Instagram account, then you can just simply go with login with Facebook and you'll be able to log into your Instagram with your Facebook. Or you can also go with forgotten your password and it will take you to this kind of interface. Now you need to go with can't reset your password and it will take you to help center. Under help center you need to go with recover your Instagram password. Scroll down and you will have visit this page. Tap on it and it will ask you to enter the login code which is generated by the authentication app. You can just go with your authenticator, and if you've added your authentication you just need simply copy that, go back to Instagram and then paste that login code. Go with trust this device and then go with confirm and tap on save and you'll be logged into your account. Or you'll also have another way. If you go with I forgot my password and can't reset it on your request support, then it will ask you to take a selfie video to confirm your account. You can also go with that process. So once you go with save, as you can see that I've been logged into my account. That's it, and if you have any questions feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.